Want to become a hacker? Well, the first step is choosing the right programming language. But with so many options, which ones should you learn? Stick around because today we're breaking down the best programming languages for aspiring hackers, whether you're into ethical hacking, penetration testing, or cybersecurity. Before we dive into the languages, let's clear something up. Real hacking isn't just clicking buttons in a fancy GUI. To truly understand systems, exploit vulnerabilities, and build your own tools, you need to know how to code. Different hacking tasks require different languages. Some are great for writing exploits, others for automating attacks, and some for reverse engineering. So, let's get into the top picks. Python. We have Python, the Swiss Army knife of hacking. It's easy to learn, has tons of libraries, and is perfect for writing scripts, automating tasks, and developing exploits. Tools like Metasploit and Scapy rely on Python, making it a must-know for hackers. Bash and shell scripting. If you're working in Linux, Bash scripting is essential. It helps you automate repetitive tasks, manage systems, and chain commands for powerful attacks. C and C++. Want to understand buffer overflows, memory corruption, or write your own exploits? C and C++ are crucial. They give you low-level control over systems category need just like real hackers need. JavaScript. For web hacking, JavaScript is a must. Cross-site scripting, manipulating APIs, and even advanced phishing attacks rely on JS. SQL. SQL injection is still one of the most common web vulnerabilities. Knowing SQL helps you exploit databases and understand how data is stored. Assembly. This one's advanced, but if you want to reverse engineer malware or write shellcode, assembly is the way to go. It's tough, but it's the language of machines. So where should you start? If you're new, Python is the best choice. Then move to Bash and JavaScript for web hacking. If you're serious about exploit development, dive into C and assembly. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more hacking and cybersecurity content. And let me know in the comments what's your favorite hacking language.